Want to master Autodesk Inventor fast and effectively? Introducing Autodesk Inventor, a complete step-by-step tutorial guide, your all-in-one guide to becoming a pro. Start with the basics: sketching, part modeling, and assembly. Then move into professional drafting for real-world documentation. Create stunning presentations. Design industrial components with the sheet metal module. And validate your designs using built-in simulation tools. Practice as you learn with interactive exercises and quizzes to test your skills. All-in-one complete course, Autodesk Inventor Guide. Enroll now and start building your future in 3D design.